Good evening, sir.
Okay, students. Good evening to all of you.
Evening चल रहा है,
Physics,
afternoon नहीं चल रहा है.
physics period.
Good evening, sir.
By chance, I have taken today because yesterday was your exam SST. That's why class was suspended. And today we will read about the combination of resistors. Combination of resistors are two types. Resistance can be connected in series or in parallel. Series combination, I will draw it. First of all, listen about it. Series combination.
50 से.
When second terminal of first resistor is connected to first terminal of second resistance, and second terminal of second resistance is connected to first terminal of third resistance, and so on. The combination is known as series combination. I mean, in a chain, if resistors are connected in a chain, then it is called series combination. Property of series combination is currents in all resistors are equal. Mind it, for series combination, currents in all resistors are equal and voltage, I mean potential difference of different resistances are different. So first of all, see series combination figure. Draw with me. See the resistor R1's first terminal this one and second terminal this one. R1 second terminal and R2 first terminal are combined to one place. Likewise, second terminal of R2 is connected to first terminal of R3. Okay, and so on. Many resistors can be connected by this process, and the combination is known as series
क्लास ही
combination.
चल रहा है. क्लास चल रहा है.
Here battery is on current I having single path. Why currents of all resistors are equal? See this in figure. The current passing through the circuit having single path. That's why the current applied current is equal to R1, R2 and R3. Only one path is there for current. That's why the current of all resistor will be equal. That is I. But since R1, R2 and R3 resistors value is different, that's why potential difference of different resistances are different. You know that V is equal to I into R by Ohm's law. If I is constant, then when R will change, then V will change. That's why the potential difference, I mean voltage of all resistors will be different. Resistor will be different. Okay, we will find the formula for the equivalent resistance of a series combination. See, since potential difference are different, that's why we will find V1, V2 and V3. V1 is equal to I1 into R1, but I1, I2, I3 is I only. That's why we can write V1 is equal to IR1. This is equation first. V2 is equal to IR2. Equation second. V3 is equal to IR3. Equation third. Okay. Now you add all three equations. Adding equations first, second and third. We get V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. I is common. R1 plus R2 plus R3. And the sum of V1, V2 and V3 is voltage of applied voltage, that is the V. V. V upon I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. You can't see it. Okay. V upon I. V upon I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let me correct the camera. Okay. You can see it, students. V by I is equal to R. That is the Ohms, by the formula of Ohm's law. V by I is equal to R. Equivalent resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. This is the formula equivalent formula for the equivalent resistance of series combination. Okay, students. Now you can write it.
ऊपर नहीं दिख रहा है।
So clear. Bad.
Okay, write it. Write down.
कहाँ जाना है? नहीं.
सर क्या लिखे, हिला रहे हैं कैमरा,
Yes, sir.
दिख नहीं रहा है।
बे
Please come.
जाओ ना, हमसे क्या बोल रहे हो?
Have you written this?
बारिश तो ये हो रही है, क्या करोगे?
Write down.
सर एक बार कैमरा ऊपर कर दीजिए सर,
Written.
ऊपर का लिखना है सर।
Satyendra. Have you written?
पेट का दिखा रहे हैं कैमरा ऊपर।
Okay. Parallel combination. We will see after it. Parallel combination.
जाओ ना यहाँ से, दिमाग खराब करने आ गए। कुछ तो कुछ काम नहीं है।
Now parallel combination.
बे
सर लिखने भी देंगे।
सर स्क्रीन बात कहाँ जा रही हो? भीग जाओगी।
Student, you can draw with me.
मार मारेंगे, सही में बता रहे, दिमाग खराब हुआ है।
See this parallel combination. Draw the diagram. You should draw. The property of parallel combination is property number 1, potential difference of all resistors are equal. In series combination, currents are equal, but in parallel combination, potential difference of all resistance will be equal. All resistors are equal. Second property, currents in different resistance are different. Different, I mean I1 for R1, I2, I3 for R3, and that's all. Okay. Try to understand what is parallel combination. In parallel combination, different paths are available. In series combination, if one resistor is break, one circuit is break, then all resistor will not work. All resistor supply will be cut. But here three paths are there. Three paths are there. If one is fused, suppose that one bulb is fused, then the supply between two bulbs will continue. If two bulbs are fused, then the third one bulb will continue glow. That's why it is benefit for the parallel combination that all resistors having different paths, their own paths. But in series combination, single path. If one resistor is break down, then the circuit supply will be break down. Okay. All your domestic wiring in your houses or in factory, maximum domestic houses are connected in parallel. That's why the voltage of all appliances of your house get 220 volt separately. But in series combination, the voltage will be divided. The 220 volt will divide. If you use two bulbs, then 220 will divide to two bulbs, and that voltage and the power will be reduced of each one bulb. But here, each one resistor get equal power because each one having their own path, and voltage of each one resistor will be equal. Supply voltage will be given to all resistors because they having their own separate paths. Okay, that you can see that here that three paths are there. So the supply current I is divided into three paths. In parallel combination, current I is divided into three paths: I1, I2, I3. This one I1, this one I2, this one I3. Okay, I1 for R1, I2 for R2, and I3 for R3. Okay, students. And currents are different resistors will be different because there are three paths and accumulated current will be
हो गया
total here and total I will be passes and complete this circuit. I from positive plate I start in circuit and divided in three parts, and again after passing through three resistor it will connect, it will accumulate it at this junction point and becomes I mean I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I. That is the supply current. Okay, for the expression, since here currents are different, that's why we will find I1, I2 and I3. For expression I1 is equal to, from Ohm's law you know that I is equal to V upon R. I1 is equal to V1 upon R1. I1 is equal to V1 upon R1, but V1 and V1, V2, V3 all are V. That's why we will write I is equal to V by R1, equation first. I2 is equal to V by R2, equation second. And I3 is equal to V by R3. That is the equation third. Okay. Now we will add the three equations by adding equation first, second, and third equation. Adding equation first, second, and third, we get I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3.
कबूतर
V is common here. 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. V, say I1 plus I2 plus I3 is the sum of all three currents is I, because this I is divided into three parts. That's why the sum of I1, I2 and I3 will be I only. That's why we can write here I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I. Now transpose this left side, V to left I, V will be transposed to left side and it will become I by V. I by V is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3.
शॉर्ट दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है
You know, V by I is equal to R and I by V is equal to what will be? 1 upon
चट पर
R.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है
1 upon R.
नीचे का दिखाई नहीं दे
1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon
नीचे का
R.
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है
This is the equivalent resistance for parallel combination. Friends, try to
सर कैमरा
understand.
नीचे घुमाइए
This is very easy. The three equations are added. V is common here, taken and transposed to left side. I upon V is equal to 1 upon R. Because V upon I is equal to R. Then I upon V is equal to 1 upon R. 1 upon R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula for equivalent resistance of parallel combination resistance. Okay. We will see the examples. I will give you my own example. You can do with this help of example of your book
सर
questions.
कैमरा नीचे घुमाइए ना पहले
Okay, write down. Afterwards, I
सर
will
कैमरा
give you
नीचे घुमाइए ना फिर
नीचे का
कैमरा
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा
series and parallel combination. Very important students. Every year,
यस सर बस
questions in board examination always comes. Series and parallel combination questions are come. You can see in your previous year papers, 10 years paper. Every year it is given. Very important.
सर कैमरा नीचे घुमाइए ना, नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है।
Hands up if you have written. Hands up. Written, that's all.
सर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है।
सर नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा है।
Have you written? Then hands up and
नहीं
show
दिखाई
me.
दे रहा है।
कैमरा नीचे करिए
Written you have.
और नहीं दिखा है।
सर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है।
नो सर।
Thanks.
अरे सर
सर
हाथ नीचे कर ला।
सर नीचे का नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है।
सर सर नीचे कर देते, स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लेते हैं। सर नीचे नहीं दिख रहा है, कैमरा हिला ही है। हाँ अब ठीक है। और अभी तक कहाँ थे?
और सही लो।
सर क्या लिख रहे हैं, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है।
सर कैमरा ऊपर उठाइए। सर सर
अरे सर देवस्थली किस बात का पैसा लेता है?
शिवम शांत रहो। मतलब नीचे करेंगे।
सर अब नहीं लिखे हैं।
सर ऊपर कीजिए ना।
सर हेड लेके पढ़ना पड़ेगा था। क्या सर बताइए।
A. For solution of A, see here resistors 2 ohm, 3 ohm are connected in series.
Hello.
4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. That's why we will add these first two in series and these first two in parallel. First of all, you should know the parallel combination you will solve, and then the combination, the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination resistance will be added to these two in series. I mean, first of all, you will find the RP1. One circuit is parallel only, so RP1 you will find RP. Yeah. equivalent resistance for parallel resistors. Yeah, right. Equivalent resistance for parallel. I am solving a parallel combination. Then 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. LCM will be 12 and 4 3 ja 3 plus 2, 5 by 12. 1 upon R is equal to 5 by 12. Then R is equal to 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5 is equal to 5 2 ja 5 4 ja 2.54 ohm.
अभी नहीं.
Okay. Now for equivalent resistance of between AB will be 2 ohm plus 3 ohm plus this 2.4 ohm, because this combination is connected in series to these two resistors. So equivalent resistance REQ between AB. AB is written here, A and B, equivalent resistance between AB is equal to 2 ohm plus 3 ohm plus this 2.4 ohm. So 5 to 7.4 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance of between A and B. That is the answer. And you can find out this also. Write down. Now the solution for the second one. Have you written, students? Written? Hands up.
Yes, sir.
Have you written? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Solution of this question, listen to me. First of all, we will add the equivalent resistance for parallel combination, this one. Afterwards, you will add 2, 6 and this in series. This will be 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 9. The LCM will be 18, and you can add yourself 1 upon 3 plus 1. I am doing rough work only, not for solution. You will do yourself. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 9 will be 18 LCM. 3 6 ja, 6 3 ja, 9 2 ja, 5 or 6, 11. 11 upon 18. 1 upon R is equal to 11 upon 18. Then R is equal to 18 upon 11. And it will be how much? 11 1 ja 11. 11 point 11 to 18. 11 1 ja 7.06 or 1.63.
क्या हुआ ये बताओ ना एक
And
बात
equivalent resistance between A and B. Equivalent resistance between A and B. Or A and B not equivalent resistance of circuit. यहाँ you have to find out equivalent. R eq is equal to or R eq is equal to 1.63 plus 2 plus 6. 9.63 ohm. 9.63 ohm will be the result for this question. For your book question, page number 216, the similar questions are given. You can do yourself. Parallel 1 ohm and 10 power 6 ohm will be added in parallel. The same formula will be applied. For question number 1.
हेलो
For question number 2.
चल रहा है क्लास चल रहा है
Tell me.
ग्लू नहीं है glue नहीं है।
Tell me what you are telling. Question page number 216. Question number 1 will be done as I have solved. It is given for parallel combination. And
सर प्लीज
likewise,
पेज नंबर
question number
बताइए
4, 5, you will do yourself. But I am giving hint for question number 4. Would you like to solve question number 2? Solution of question number 2, would you like to solve? For question number 2 solution, listen to me. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, toaster 50 ohm, and water filter 500 ohm are connected to parallel in 220 volt. These R1, R2 and R3 are given in parallel combination. So it is very easy to find the equivalent resistance. For equivalent resistance, you will write 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 500. And reciprocal will be the value of equivalent resistance. Okay, that will be the R. And voltage V is given 220 volt. What is the resistance of electric iron connected to same source that takes much current? All three appliances. And what is the current through it? We have to find out.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Hello.
Here, what is the electric iron is connected to the same source that takes current as all three appliances. Current you will find out. If you want to ask me anything, my mobile number is written here. My mobile number is written there.
सर ये 1.62 में 2 + 6 कहाँ से हुआ है? 1.63 + 2 + 6 कहाँ से है? सर नीचे सबसे नीचे.
This one 2
Yes,
and
sir.
6. See, these and these are in series. Only 3 are in parallel. This parallel the sum of this parallel combination will be added to remaining 2 resistors in series. Okay.
वो देखा नहीं होगा मुझे पता ऐड
6 ohm, 2 ohm, and this sum of the parallel combination will be in series. That's why I have add in series combination R1 plus R2 and plus R3. For R3, the sum of this parallel combination. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anything more?
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा अच्छे से.
My mobile number is 888-769-3189. If you want to ask me a question, your doubt, you can ask me.
सर ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिख
Once
दीजिए.
more, sir. Once more.
Mobile number, if you want to write down 888-769-3189. It is written at the board also.
यस सर.
Board it is not looking clear, so I am telling you mobile number. Friends, if you doubt any doubt, you can ask me. No hesitation. Online classes are also, I am also feeling insatisfaction. There is no satisfaction. You will be offline, then there will be more better. Okay, but there is no any options are.
Excuse me, sir. अगर जी
Students, this much only is sufficient for today.
सर अगर जी
I want to give you hints for question number 4. Time out. And time out is showing. How can 3 resistors of resistances 2, 3, and 6 ohm be connected to find the total 4 ohm and 1 ohm? If you add 3 ohm and 6 ohm, 3 and 6 in parallel, then it will be 2, and this 2 will be sum 4. I mean 2 will be 3 and 6 will be parallel, and this parallel to 2 ohm will be series. For equivalent resistance 4A, for solution A, and for one equivalent, you will add this 6 ohm, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4.
Hello.
How much that total equivalent resistance will be 1 ohm only. Then 1 by 2, 1 by 3 will be 5 by 6, and will be 6 by 5, and 6 will be added series. Okay, next time we will do. If you can't do, you can ask me.